How to love a man using his own mindset. The secret hypnotic words 90% of women don't know. When chatting with a man they like, many women feel overjoyed just because he says something nice or replies quickly. But if he doesn't respond, they keep checking their phone only to see he's liked someone else's post instead. This can feel crushing. And what do women do next? One reader told me her story. The man she liked ignored her, but liked another girl's post. She overthought it all day. Then at midnight, sent him a long emotional message. I really like you. You seemed interested before. Why ignore me? I'm so upset. But here's the truth. If he's not replying, he's just not that into you. Sending angry messages will only push him away. So, what should you do instead? If you're still getting to know each other, attraction works better than pressure. 1. Spark his desire to chase you. Men love a challenge. Think about pets. Dogs follow their owners eagerly, always seeking attention. Cats are independent, they come when they want. And guess what? People chase cats more. Be the cat. Make him wonder, does she like me or not? Show interest in words, not actions. Example, if his birthday is coming, say, I like you so much I'll get you a gift. But on the day, don't send anything, not even a message. Now he's thinking, wait, does she like me or not? This makes him chase you more. Mistake to avoid. Don't text him daily with how are you? That's needy, not intriguing. 2. Keep him curious about you. Mystery creates attraction. If a book reveals everything at the start, would you keep reading? No, same with men. How to do it? Leave some stories unfinished. If he asks about your ex, say, it's a sad story. I'll tell you later. If he asks about your family, my childhood was tough. Another time. This makes him want to know more and he'll reach out more. Final tip. Don't let him take you for granted. If he thinks you'll always be there, he'll lose interest. Keep him guessing, and he'll chase you, want more. Learn how to make him depend on you so he never wants to leave.